2, lane 1, Matthew Dean from Santa Margarita, lane 2, Adrian Collins for Center Valley, lane 3, Kyle Lynn Walnut, lane 4, Aaron Dang, Santa Margarita, lane 5 is Cooper Wren of Hardwick Westlake, lane 6 is Alonzo Santos of Mater Dei, lane 7 is William Stewart of San Marcos, lane 8 is Andrew Clark of Corolla, and lane 9 is Jason Hay of Troy. Lane number 6, Alonzo Santos of Mater Dei with a slight lead over lane 5, Cooper Wren of Hardwick Westlake. And as they head towards the finish, still 6 and 5. 6 and 5, lane 6, Alonzo Santos, Mater Dei. And it's going to be Alonzo Santos of Mater Dei High School winning heat number 2 at lane 6. His winning time 55.